will go live in 1 minute.
Good morning. The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Welcome to this morning's virtual admissions ceremony. I hope everyone is well. I'm sorry we are not all together in our courtroom. Beautiful courtroom. However, I hope that this will still be a meaningful time for you, since it does come at the end of a long road, as we all know. At this time, I'd like to call upon Ms. Sharon Schwartz to make her appropriate motion. Ms. Schwartz, good morning.
Good morning, and may it please the court. I, Sharon Schwartz, staff counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this morning to present to the court 34 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this morning does possess requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Well, thank you very much. I have had an opportunity to discuss your motion with my colleagues this morning before getting on the bench, and I am pleased to tell you that we are very happy to grant your motion. Ms. Schwartz, if on behalf of myself and all the justices, we would like to thank you and the members of the Character and Fitness Committee who have interviewed all these candidates and reviewed their applications and presented us with what appears to be a very fine group of applicants for admission this morning. I would now like to call upon the clerk of our court, the Honorable Susana Rojas, who will administer the oath of office.
Good morning, Justice Kapnick. Good morning, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying I do if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your microphones and respond by saying I do.
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 Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphone.
And if I could ask the judges and the court personnel to please unmute their microphones so we can give all the candidates and now all the new attorneys a round of applause. Congratulations. Well, congratulations to all of you. And it is tradition of our court at this time in this ceremony to have one of the judges make a few welcoming remarks to you. And this morning, that privilege falls to my colleague, Honorable David Friedman.
Thank you, Justice Kapnick. To begin, I want to congratulate and welcome the new lawyers who have just been admitted to the bar of the state of New York, and also to congratulate their families and friends who have helped them on their journey to this day. Under ordinary circumstances, this proceeding would have taken place within the beautiful and ornate courtroom in the First Department's 120-year-old courthouse on Madison Avenue, a venue that I hope you all will be able to visit soon enough. However, the circumstances under which we presently find ourselves are not ordinary. These circumstances have made it necessary for you applicants and we judges to appear before each other in virtual space through the screens and speakers of computers. Not so many years ago, it would not have been possible to do this. The pandemic in whose shadow this proceeding takes place, and the technological innovations that we are using to avoid some of the effects of that pandemic, highlight the fact that change is a constant of the legal world in the 21st century. A successful legal career involves frequent adaptation to new and unexpected circumstances in technology, in society, and in the law itself. As President Lincoln wrote in 1862, we must rise with the occasion. As our case is new, so must we think anew and act anew. It is my fervent hope that each of you, new members of the bar, will rise with the occasion and meet not only the present challenges, but all of the additional challenges that the future is sure to bring. In meeting those challenges, I hope that you will be animated by what Justice Cardozo called the true spirit of the bar. More than 90 years ago, Justice Cardozo imparted the following message about that spirit, to the new lawyers of his day. Now it lies with you to uplift what is low, to erase what is false, to redeem what has been lost, till all the world shall see, and seeing shall understand, that union of the scholar's thought and the mystic's yearning, the knight's ardor and the hero's passion, which is still, in truest moments of expression, the spirit of the bar. Make that your spirit of the bar in whatever field you choose to practice, and you will go far. Congratulations and best of luck. My remarks are concluded.
Thank you very much, Justice Friedman, for those wonderful remarks for our newest attorneys this morning. This now concludes our admission ceremony, and court is adjourned. The judges will now leave, and again, I wish you all the very best of luck in your future careers.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Rojas. They will now log off and the new attorneys will stay on with me.